This is how to make my braised sweet potatoes in miso caramel with California prunes. Cut your sweet potatoes into 2 centimeter slices, drizzle with oil and season with salt. Then add them into a frying pan and cook until golden brown. While that's cooking, mix your miso paste with some maple syrup and some water to create a sauce. Once it's all stirred together, add it into your pan and give it a good stir around. Continue to cook until it reduces to a really dark golden syrup. Then turn your sweet potatoes over and add your delicious California prunes with a little bit of butter. Now to serve up, spoon over some yogurt onto a plate, add a little grated garlic and sprinkle with seeds. Then serve up with your sweet potatoes and your California prunes. To finish, serve up with some sesame seeds, some fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime juice.